Hi there, welcome to One Two Step. In today's video, I am going to show you how to reset your password on PayPal. So to do that, first open up the app PayPal. You can download the app PayPal through Google Play or App Store based on your device. After opening up PayPal, you'll land on the login page and there you will see a forgot password option. Click on that. And after clicking that, you'll require to type in your email address. After typing in, click next. And after doing that, it will send you a verification code on your mobile number. So click next. After clicking next, you will receive a security code on your SMS. Check your SMS and type in the code. After typing in the code, now you'll be able to create your password. Remember, your password should be 8 to 20 characters long and at least should have one number or a symbol. After creating a password similar to that, retype the password in the second box to confirm the password is same. After that, click save and your password should be changed. Now that was the process of resetting your password on PAL account. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification bell so that we can send you a notification. For now, thank you for watching the video.